This is my Commodore 64 book from 1987. I created an index and a list of games. I made sure to add extra blank pages to cater for future games and not run out of space. This is my list of games with some high scores. I would spend hours on Paper Boy, 1942 and Boulder Dash. Who remembers Spy, Hunter and Petch? Tips and pokes for one of my favorite games, Ghost and Goblins. Pokes were cheat codes for unlimited lives, change weapon or level, etc. Grog's Revenge. BMX, Simulator. Computer cricket game when I first learnt to program in BASIC. Snake's game program. A black and white map to another great game, Cauldron 2. A color map for Cauldron 2 taken from Zap 64 magazine. Part 2 coming soon.